I'm using set of 3 words. Track 1 diplomacy, track 2 diplomacy, track 3 diplomacy. What are these? Track 2 diplomacy, especially as a term, you'll find it quite often than not in the reports and other things. Okay, what are these things? Track 1 diplomacy, official or formal diplomacy. Say the foreign service people, right? Sorry. Or any minister, whether cabinet minister or otherwise, or the prime minister, when they are officially engaging in diplomacy, the official form of diplomacy, that's track 1 diplomacy. Very simple. The formal or the official diplomacy. But not every time engaging in formal or official diplomacy